We have given 4 decimal numbers. We have to write them from the largest to smallest. So first I will rewrite our 4 decimal numbers. We have 9.58. Next is 9.5951. Next 9.5899. And the last is 9.58801. First step is always to check how many digits we have after decimal point. We have 1, 2, next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the largest is 5 digits, so we have to add to every decimal number which has less than 5 digits, zeros and the end. So we have only 2, so we have to add 3 zeros. We have 4, so we have to add 1 zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, so we need to add 1, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's 1 0, 1 0, 1, 2, 3 zeros. So now when we have the same number of digits after decimal point, what we will do? We will copy our decimal numbers without decimal point. We just forgot about decimal point. 95800, 9595110, 95890, 9588801. Now we just start from the first digits. We have 9, 9, 9, 9. So the first digit is the same. Next we have second digit is 5, 5, 5 and 5, the same. So we go to the third digit is 8. Next is 9. We have 8 and 8. So 9 is greater than 8. So this is our first number. Next we have 8, 8 and 8. So we will go to fourth digits. 0. We have 0, 9 and 8. 9 is greater than 0 and 8. So this is our second number. Next we have 0 and 8 to compare the 4 digits. So 8 is greater than 0. So this is our third number, and the last is the first number. So now we have to write our solution. We have to use only original decimal numbers, and we will note the digits, zeros, which I add at the end. So first number is this, 9, decimal point 5951. This is the largest number. The second is 9, decimal point 5899. The third is 9, decimal point 58801. And the first is the last number, 9.58. This is my solution.